In this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots of a section of a screen or of a complete screen from Mac operating system. So right now I'm on a Mac operating system and I can come down here to the launchpad. This is an inbuilt feature that usually comes with MacBook Pro. So you can just go ahead, come to the launchpad. You can just go ahead and search for screenshot and you can see it over here. So you can define wherever you want to take the screenshot. You can customize it accordingly, taking the place exactly where you want to take the screenshot, and we can just go ahead and say capture here. You have other options like you can change and save to where you want to save it, and then whether you want to include a timer or enable or disable any of these features. So this is the screen capture. This is the capture selected portion, and you can do videos, which we are going to cover in subsequent videos. So once you are okay with this section, you can just go ahead and say capture. All right, now you can see it has been captured. It will be saved on your desktop, but if you right click, you can save it to your clipboard or send it to documents, or you can open a mail or the about or show in Finder and do many other things from here. Okay, but at this moment, you can copy on the clipboard and you can paste it somewhere. Let's say we can paste it here in this Word document. So you can just go ahead and paste it. Okay, so if you find this helpful, please leave a like.